We tackle a problem that everyone has faced at some point: nose congestion. Whether it's from a cold, allergies, or just dry air, a stuffy nose can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we've got some proven tips and tricks to help you breathe easy again. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's understand what nose congestion is. Basically, it happens when the tissues inside your nose become swollen due to inflamed blood vessels. This can be caused by various factors such as infections, allergies, or even irritants like smoke. Simple solutions for stuffy nose. Use Saline nasal spray. One of the easiest ways to relieve nasal congestion is by using a Saline nasal spray. This helps to moisten the nasal passages and reduce inflammation. You can find these sprays at any pharmacy. Simply tilt your head forward, insert the nozzle into one nostril, and spray. Then repeat for the other nostril. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids is crucial. Water, herbal teas, and broths can help thin mucus, making it easier to expel. The Institute of Medicine recommends that men drink about 3.7 liters, or 13 cups, of fluids a day, and women about 2.7 liters, or 9 cups. Use a humidifier. Dry air can make congestion worse. Using a humidifier in your bedroom can add moisture to the air and help keep your nasal passages moist. Make sure to clean the humidifier regularly to avoid mold and bacteria buildup. Try eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. You can add a few drops to a bowl of hot water, lean over the bowl, and inhale the steam. Alternatively, add a few drops to your humidifier. A study from the University of Maryland Medical Center found that eucalyptus oil can help relieve nasal congestion and improve breathing. While eucalyptus oil has its benefits, it's important to note that it can irritate the skin and mucous membranes, especially for children and people with certain medical conditions. Consulting a healthcare provider before using eucalyptus oil is advisable. Warm compress. A warm compress can help reduce nasal congestion by opening up the nasal passages. Soak a clean towel in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your nose and forehead. Leave it on for a few minutes and repeat as necessary. Over-the-counter decongestants. If you're still feeling stuffy, over-the-counter decongestants can provide relief. These medications reduce swelling in the nasal passages. However, they should be used with caution and not for more than a few days in a row, as prolonged use can lead to rebound congestion. Nasal irrigation. Nasal irrigation with a saline solution can be highly effective. You can use a neti pot or a specially designed squeeze bottle. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt into 2 cups of warm distilled water, pour the solution into the irrigation device, and rinse one nostril at a time. The American Academy of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery recommends this method for clearing out mucus and allergens. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below on which method worked best for you. Remember, nose congestion is a common issue, and with these steps, you can breathe easy again. Stay healthy, and see you next time.